interactive HTTP live streaming, in other words, interactive HLS. It is implemented by Burak. And Burak, could you please tell us what is the interactive HTTP live streaming, their use cases, why we need to use interactive HTTP live streaming, and then we just expect you to have a good demonstration for interactive HLS to us. Yeah.
Okay, let me start with the real-time streaming first. As you know, Antmedia server is a real-time streaming server which uses WebRTC under the hood. And now this circle, now the conference solution now we are using is a tool on top of Antmedia server. And as you see that this is very interactive thing. Now we are talking to each other, we are chatting from the chat panel. Because WebRTC provides video audio streaming, and beside those, it also supports data channel messaging. So we are using that. So there is no problem with the interactivity if you are using a real-time streaming protocol. But HTTP live streaming protocol, I mean HLS, is not a real-time protocol, as you know, and its standard latency is about 8 to 10 seconds. So how you can be interactive in such cases? How you can create interactive applications with HLS? For example, trivia-like solutions, applications are one of the application for such interactive HLS streaming thing. In that application, you ask a question and you want the question arrive all users at the same time. Now, not at the real same time, but it may differ time to time player, but they can see the answers at the same time. Whenever the question finishes, then they should see the answers. How you can create such a thing? For example, when I do this, and if I want to send a data to the users when I do this, how I can do with the HLS? In real time, there is nothing because it is less than human sensitivity, so we can do it. The answer is timed metadata for that. When I do this, then I can create a message, timed metadata message at that time. Then when people get my stream after 8 seconds or 10 seconds, they will know they need to create the text or something, some interactive thing at that moment, because the timed metadata is streamed beside the video and audio. So maybe with the demonstration it will be easy to understand. If you want, we can go with the demonstration.
Sure, let's proceed.
Now I am sharing my screen.
I think it is coming. Yeah, it is coming for me.
Okay.
You can see it.
Now I think most of you are familiar with this screen. This is our published sample page. Now I am starting a stream on the server. Okay, first of all, maybe I need to tell about this, how you can enable ID3. This is an application for my demonstration, and in the settings, and go to advanced settings, there should be some settings for the ID3 enablement. Let me find it. Here. As you see, for this demo application, I enabled it. By default, it is disabled. So I enabled that. Now this is my stream. I want to play it with HLS. To do that, I have some sample pages. Also, I will show how you can do it with Antmedia Server web player. Let me show this sample page, sample code pen first. This sample code pen get ID3 data beside SEI. SCI means supplementary enhancement information. It is another timed message data protocol on top of HLS. ID3 is one of them, SCI data is the second of them, and Antmedia server is supporting both of them right now. In Antmedia server, to ingest timed metadata to your stream, you need to call REST method. We have some REST methods to do that. Now I will show. This requires sometimes refresh. I think it's something because of CodePen. Now first I will send my stream is again stop in this CodePen. I need to refresh it. Okay, now I have sent a timed metadata hello. As you see that it gets this message as HLS. This, by the way, this source code is using HLS.js, and it is ID3 messages are parsed by this HLS fragment parsing metadata. For SCI data, it is parsed by fragmented parsing user data. I don't know why, but this CodePen always stops playing the stream. And now I will send an SCI data this time. Also, I want to show that. Then I will tell what is the difference between them. But again, my stream stopped here. Anyway, I don't know why this happened time to time in the CodePen, but now as you see that SCI data is coming to the viewer. As you see that SCI data is coming continuously because the ID3 and the SCI are in different between them. Let me tell the difference. ID3 data is streamed as a third stream besides video and audio in HLS streaming, but SCI is inserted into the packet as null units in the HLS streaming. So we get the SCI data continuously, but ID3 data at a one time. Also, you can change this SCI information by calling the REST method again. You can check this CodePen to how you get SCI data and ID3 data. Also, I want to make another demonstration about the usage, some interactive thing. Okay, for now this is an ID3 implementation. Again on top of HLS, but still I have the problem with the CodePen HLS playback. It may be because of my internet connectivity. I'm not sure, but it was not like that previously.
Murphy is around here.
Yeah, maybe Murphy, maybe something else. I don't know. Maybe
Okay, no worries. Let's proceed.
Okay. Let me do the thing. It will be good to understand what happened there. Now, okay. Now let me refresh. I hope this time it can play my stream continuously. I don't know what happened there.
Okay, no need to get stuck here. It is okay. So there's a
No. Let me try last time actually. Now I have sent something. Oh, it stopped streaming again. This is because of code pen, I think. Lastly, I want to show how you can get the ID3 data by using our web player. And let me do this. I'm going to demo. This is our play.html page. Now I will send ID3 data and you will see it. Now I have sent. Again, stop. Maybe it is because of my computer or something else. I don't know what happened. Maybe I need to do this test on my local instead of using a server on cloud. Uh, yes, as far as I know, it is supported by low latency HLS also. It means that we can use it. Yep. You're
Okay,
right.
then let's proceed because we are just passing the time. There's a room for
Yes.
improvement, Bragg. So then this is your end to just confirm what is blocking on you so that we will resolve
Yes,
it
I want to
next
say
time.
some last thing was we have
Okay.
some improvement points. Maybe we can add some things like that. We can convert the data channel messages into SCI or ID3 text instead of ingesting them with the REST methods. Soon it will be also better for WebRTC HLS users.